All right, so we just replaced through the logic for nickel. And again, I think we can do the same thing for penny. So I'm going to just delete all this code up here that was there for penny. I'm going to copy these 2 lines of code. Now, I have to do some copying and pasting occasionally. And what I can say is determine bounds here for penny instead. Now I have copying and pasting, but I'm better with this copying and pasting because I'm just copying and pasting data items. I'm not copying and pasting logical code. I'm passing in parameters, different values to parameters. That's good copying and pasting. That's necessary. I'm working with variables in different ways, not copying code that it can be reused in other interesting ways. So the question there, though, is I start off with this coin type. How do I determine how do I move forward? Okay, well I think with a little logic we apply it here, we can figure that out. So let me start here. Let me actually just make this coin type here a value on its own, and so we can get rid of the compiler errors. So we'll start with that. So if we ran it as it is, if this was a penny, I would go off and check if it was a dime, then I'd replace that with the value unknown. So really what we want to do is after we determine if it's a penny or not, then we can use that value appropriately. So if the coin type, what can we do here? Well, we want to say this, if it's not equal to penny, I can be very specific inside of this. I'm sorry, if it is equal to penny, excuse me. If it's equal to penny, I could do this as return coin type. Or I could do return penny here. Or, to make my copying and pasting a little bit nicer, what I think I'm going to do is where I started is, I'm going to say if it's not equal to unknown. Okay, so the advantage here is if I say penny here, I have to go replace penny every time I copy and paste here. Where now I can actually copy and paste this down here. And so when I say nickel, if it's not unknown, then I'm going to return the type nickel. So let's test this real quick. Let's not go crazy. Let's test this and make sure we end up with the same results. Again, we like to run this code frequently. Minimal changes. Yeah, see, we haven't broken anything yet. The same results inside of here. All right. So now, hopefully, I can just copy and paste this. And the formatting was terrible on that copy and paste. Let me fix the formatting there. All right. And now let's replace this with dime. So the dime weight, the dime diameter, and the dime is a value. All right, so let's see. Dime then has the value of 2. So this next one should be going away if it's the dime. All right, so we do this and next one goes away. Yes, indeed. Dime works perfectly well inside of there. And then we've replaced our code inside of there. All right, so let's try it one more time here and see if we can get quarter to work. All right, and bring that back, format this up a little bit better. All right, so let's replace dime with Q quarter. Sorry. All right, so we can go through and run this, and all of our tests seem to be passing right here. So nothing is wrong. Now, just to show you that, I mean, either I've done a good job of passing my test, let me just put in something wrong inside of here, like dime. So dime diameter inside of here. Accidentally, see, and then those two are still not correct. If I just copied and pasted something wrong here, I can do it up here and say, let's say this is penny weight inside there instead. And we can break the nickel ones. So obviously now the 2 nickel ones are broken right there. So that is my answer, I think. Let's take a second and we'll analyze that.